How to get started with SEO, understanding backlinks and guest posts. In the realm of digital marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in boosting your online presence. One of the key aspects of SEO is the utilization of backlinks, also known as inbound or incoming links. Essentially, backlinks are links from other websites that direct visitors to your own site. In this video, we will delve into the significance of backlinks and explore the world of guest posts, which can immensely benefit your SEO efforts, especially for beginners. Backlinks hold immense value for SEO as they signify to search engines that your website's content is credible and valuable, prompting others to link to it. Subsequently, this can enhance your website's domain authority, indicating its overall quality and trustworthiness. The more high-quality backlinks you acquire, the higher your website may rank on search engine results pages. In essence, backlinks transfer authority from one website to another as the linking website endorses your content as worthy of linking to. This endorsement can significantly boost your website's search rankings, particularly when the linking website possesses authority and relevance in your niche. Before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our exceptional content on backlinks. Two types of backlinks exist: do-follow and no-follow. Do-follow links pass on link juice, which bolsters your website's domain authority. On the other hand, no-follow links do not contribute to domain authority. While both types of links hold importance, do-follow links offer greater value for SEO purposes. To secure backlinks, it is imperative to create high-quality content that compels other websites to link to your pages. This can encompass various forms of content, such as engaging blog posts, informative infographics, captivating videos, and more. You can also do outreach by asking relevant websites to link to your content, but make sure to get backlinks only from reputable sites that match your niche. Getting backlinks from low-quality or spammy websites can hurt your SEO efforts. Let's explore guest posts. It involves writing an article or post for another website, including a link back to your site. This method is highly effective in getting quality backlinks, showcasing your expertise, and reaching a new audience. Guest posting also helps you build relationships with fellow bloggers in your niche, expanding your networking opportunities. To start guest posting, find websites that accept guest posts. Use Google search operators to refine your search. For instance, you can search for terms like "write for us" or "guest post" along with keywords relevant to your niche. Once you identify a viable platform or website, tailor your pitch to demonstrate the value your post will bring to their audience. Include a brief bio highlighting your expertise and a link to your website. When crafting your guest post, ensure adherence to the website's guidelines, producing high-quality content that delivers value to their readers. Including a relevant link back to your website in your author bio or within the body of the post can further boost your SEO efforts. Nonetheless, it is crucial to maintain relevancy and refrain from over-optimizing your anchor text. The benefits of backlinks and guest posts are extensive. They contribute to improved SEO, enhancing your website's domain authority and search engine rankings. Guest posts also open up avenues to reach a larger audience and increase your website's visibility. Furthermore, they facilitate relationship building with fellow bloggers and influencers in your niche, thereby fostering potential collaborations and brand growth. Ultimately, getting backlinks and guest posts helps build your brand, boost credibility, and expand your online presence. By being strategic, creating engaging content, and building reputable backlinks, you can achieve your SEO goals and experience significant growth in your digital journey. Looking for top-notch guest posting services? Bruce Jones SEO has got you covered. They specialize in boosting visibility and establishing website authority through guest posting, with a variety of tailored solutions to meet your unique business needs. Visit their website for more info. https://brucejonesSEO.com. If you want to learn the best ways to build backlinks on your own, check out OneOnOne SEO Training. They offer 2 one-hour sessions of backlink building training. Find more info on their website, https://OneOnOneSEOtraining.com. We appreciate your support by staying until the end of this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel, JovieSocial, for more insightful digital marketing contents.